Hello everyone, welcome to the third and final session of vocabulary on doctors. If you want to do exercises related to the words discussed in this video, you can refer to the book Word Power Made Easy. Let's start. The straighteners, orthopedics and orthodontia. In the annals of medical lore, a tale of linguistic ingenuity unfolds, a saga of orthopedics and orthodontia, where words themselves seem to straighten the path of healing. Cast your mind back to 1741, a time when candles lit the way for the pioneers of pediatric care. From the ancient Greek roots orthos, which means straight or correct, and pedos means child, the term orthopedist emerged, summoning an image of guardians straightening the very essence of youth. But the story doesn't end there. Today, the specialty of orthopedics has outgrown its cradle, embracing a wide canvas of deformities, injuries, and the complex architecture of bones and joints, stitching together the misaligned pieces of both young and old. Akin to maestros of alignment, orthodontists join the ballet, constructing symphonies of dental harmony with braces and meticulous techniques, ensuring that each smile's constellation is perfectly aligned. The heart's rhythm, cardiology. Hearken to the rhythm of life itself, a rhythm guarded by the cardiologist. In the very heartbeat of this term echoes the union of Greek cardia, which means heart, and logos, which means science. This linguistic symphony births cardiology, a discipline that resonates with the beat of our core. Picture these experts as modern day minstrels, deciphering the sonnet of heart rhythms, curing disharmonies, and restoring the melodies of life. Within this realm, the language itself takes on a cadence. The cardiological whispers on the science behind hearts, while cardiac encapsulates the spirit of heart conditions. And then there's the cardiogram, a poet's interpretation of heartbeats transcribed in electric ink, narrating tales of life's pulsating tapestry, navigating the nervous pathways, neurology, and beyond. Step into the labyrinthine world of nerves and pathways, where neurologists wield the torch of understanding. These navigators derive their name from the Greek neuron, which means nerve, and logos, which means science, as if they are linguistic cartographers mapping the intricate pathways of human experience. In their lexicon, the term neurological blooms like a scientific blossom, while neuralgia paints a picture of acute nerve pain. Neuritis tells tales of inflammation along nerve roots, while neurosis unravels the enigmatic dance of unproductive emotional energies. A neurotic becomes a character in this labyrinth, caught between the threads of reality and internal turbulence. The mind's canvas, psychiatry and beyond. Imagine a realm where reality splinters and minds become a canvas of their own. This is where psychosis resides, a word crafted from psyche, which means mind, and osis, which means abnormal condition. It signifies a land where reality and perceptions intertwine in a dance of their own. In this domain, psychiatrists emerge as healers of minds, invoking the essence of psyche and arteria, which means medical healing. Within this linguistic landscape, psychiatric illuminates the corridors where thoughts and emotions intertwine. Step into this realm and you step into a conversation with the very essence of the human experience, of fears, hopes, and the intricate weavings of thoughts. The healing of generations, pediatrics and geriatrics. Travel through the tapestry of generational healing, where pediatrics and geriatrics find their place. Picture pediatricians as modern day magicians, weaving spells to care around the young, drawing sustenance from arteria, which is medical healing. They are the guardians of giggles, protectors of innocence, and the whisperers of comfort to young souls. Then there's a world of geriatrics, a discipline that honors the tapestry of time and experience, a realm where arteria joins hands with the Greek geras, which means old age. Here, geriatricians step onto the stage, characters who understand the nuances of age like melodies played on seasoned instruments. Etymology as a window into healing, a medley of language and science. Now, let's stand back and observe the grand mosaic of these medical specialties. The words themselves are bridges to a deeper understanding. Etymology dances like a gentle guide, leading us through the annals of healing and compassion. It's a journey where the past meets the present, where ancient wisdom is channeled into the modern practice. Each word becomes a brushstroke in the canvas of medicine, each syllable a note in the symphony of healing. From orthopedics straightening children's paths to psychiatrists healing minds' echoes, these terms are more than labels. They are keys that unlock doors to the world of human well being. In this delicate dance of language and science, etymology tells stories of the healers, the caregivers, and the wayfarers through the intricate landscapes of human health and experience. So, this was the final lecture on words and vocabulary related to doctors. See you in the next video with some other topic. Until then, thank you and bye bye.